Ay, guys. Ay, guys. Lilipat ko na sa babaw niya kasi ganda. Okay, guys. Ikaw na to. Ay, wala na tiban. Dito na. Kasi ng mga iba mo. Parang pumasok kayo.
Dalawa lang sa'yo, Kyle.
Puro babaw tayo. Ayan yung babaw.
Dalawa lang sa'yo.
Diyan pumasok mga duwende, oh.
Hindi, huwag mo ano yun. Nangaway nga sila eh.
Yan, yan.
Hindi ganito lang natalo lang ito, natalo. Pero hindi lang sila. Kasi Batman. Wala dyan si Batman. Deadpool lang yan yan. Hindi ganyan, tataluhin niya nga eh.
Is this a white people ranch? This place looks like a hospital. I miss the Taiwanese markets back in DC. They make me feel so calm. Everything is perfectly inside a box.
Ay,
Awesome. You want the things?
Vlog kayo. Ano? Tutuhan. Natapon yun. Natapon yun. Ang dami Jenga. Kumakay ng Jenga. Kita niyo baka mukha ko. Gusto ko makita. Comment kayo. Comment.
I remember
Woman.
the empty cage that you could get into, so I decided to dress up as Lena. All the other secret rooms are gone,
Comment
and so are
kayo.
the Lenas
Kung
that
gusto
were
makita
outside.
mukha ko. Comment.
ito magkapares to.
There is
Ito
also the
sticker
new
lang
code items lying on the floor.
Ito sticker lang ito eh.
Comment nyo lang kayo
It says
guys.
something about a bow.
Subscribe kayo ba? Hindi kayo
There's a diary.
nakakasubscribe.
Hey, now they're big sus. Someone's your sus. This is
Saan to?
I remember the empty cage that you could get into, so I decided to dress up
Hindi
as
makita.
Lena.
Hawa mo,
All
Kal.
the
Hawa mo.
secret rooms are gone, and so are the Lenas
Hey,
that were
guys.
outside.
Gagawa tayo ng Jenga.
There is also the new code item lying on the
Oh,
floor.
yun.
now she shouts to everyone.
Dressed to impress, but I
Sino
play
sali?
with my dad, creating him a new act. His user is funny for sound.
Please, please.
Theme is Visual K.
Ito pa.
I already gave
No,
him a
ito pa.
tutorial for 15 minutes. I
Ito.
forgot my text effect.
Ken.
Voice reveal at
Ako isa.
513 subs.
Aso naman. Aso mo ito. Manap. Yan. Ito lang yan. Uwa kayo dyan. Dapat tayo matumba. Tapos pag nakakuha na kayo, ilalagay nyo ito sa taas. Ganun daw eh.
Every day, forcing her forward, ignoring the fact that the tutor's knees were already abraded and bloody. The girl's family didn't know her true character and thought the tutor was unsuitable, so they kept changing the girl's tutor. But when her parents left, the girl immediately showed her bad character. Unexpectedly, the new tutor was prepared for this. When the girl threatened her as before, she just ruthlessly dropped her favorite toy. The girl pointed at her and
Kung
cursed
gusto
it, but her
nyo,
fingers were held tightly by the
kung
woman.
gusto nyo mag-vlog yung mga yung kapatid ko,
Pretended to cry and went to her
hindi
parents
pa
to complain.
nag-vlog
But the
yung
next
kapatid
moment,
ko
the
guys.
woman played a recording of the girl threatening
So,
to abuse her.
vlog ko
Despite her
iyakan
efforts, the
yan.
girl insisted that her parents will believe her. But the woman calmly said that she
Malaki yan.
intended to send the recording to the girl's uncle rather than to her parents, and that the uncle was the real power in the family.
Tamo. Ay, tamo.
First lang yun. Ulog daw. May talo ako. Ayan. Ayan. No.
Day
Ronaldo and Georgina are sitting together when Georgina asks, "Who do you love the most, me or our son Junior?" And don't say both. Ronaldo laughs and replies,
Hindi
"Baby,
gagawa
what kind
nito.
of question is that?
Pati
During the Joe month,
Bilis din, lagay mo.
Hey, hey, Shoko. What do we have here? Can I see him for a sec? Naoka! Toss him
Lagay
over!
din ito, Ken.
Dami. Lahat.
Is that earwax? That is so gross!
In the past 5 months, 8 of Shoko's hearing aids have been broken or gone missing. Hearing aids are very expensive. I believe Shoko is being bullied. If any of you have seen Shoko being harassed or abused,
Gusto mo makita yung tuta at yung tuta. Mga tuta namin. Yung mga tuta. Yung paano ko. Si Choco. Ito si Damulag. Ito si Mayor. Ito si Damulag. Ito si Choco. Yung mga kulungan. Ito, miss ko pa to. Ano yan? Si Mami Kay. Paano yun naglibong ngayon guys?
Somebody with you there. Who is that?
Naglibong. Tapos, stainless switch.
This face detector filter has made me save money on Bubble
Stainless
skincare.
switch.
Oh,
Stainless switch.
somebody with you there. Who is that?
Ano ito gagawin na ito?
This face detector filter has made me save money on Bubble skincare. Hey, what's up?
Ano ka?
Somebody with you there. Who is that?
Panoorin ito guys. Bata pa kami. Mabata pa. Yun. Ayun si Gogo. Sino mo si Papa? Ano?
As long as I can remember. Why?
Katuk naman.
When did this happen? You sure know you
Tingnan mo. Gogo ito. Ano yung vlog mo yun? Yung vlog ko.
Do you have any idea how I got this scar?
Kung mo lalagay yun. Yung vlog mo.
Sitting on the toilet.
Hindi mo. Pagawin.
It's a chair. When you
Paano ko lang
take it to a mommy and me toddler gym, we're friends with 3 other
vlog
boys
yun?
that became close with their moms. They were bad influences. How come we don't get together anymore? The ones that I have out, we call ourselves the Cool Moms. Maybe we could get
Ayaw mo nood.
wow. We all have the same scar.
Pag sino gusto mo nood ng TV? Ikaw gusto mo nood ng TV? Sumakal? Ayaw mo?
With your own Roblox.
Ayaw. Yung picture ng pinsan ko. Ano, siniyana. Ito siya. Yan. Ito pinsan ko. Okay, dito siya. Dito ba ito? Sa dito siya. Dito. Ano na ako sa pinsan? Dito nagtatapos yung video. Dito nagtatapos yung mga video. So, bye-bye. Subscribe ko. Like. Share. Comment. Basta. Subscribe, tapos like, tapos comment, mag-share. Okay. Bye. 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 Bye.